just on my way to the train station. It is 5:54 and my train is at 6:22 and I'm probably about 15 minutes away. So the race really is on. It's not that cold, but I've made it to the train station and I've got like 12 minutes.
Everyone boarding the train, this is your 6:22 LNER service to Edinburgh Waverley, calling at Morpeth, Almar, Berkeley-upon-Tweed, Dunbar and Edinburgh. Due to arrival terminated 7 minutes past 8.
I'm here in Aberdeen. The train was late, but I'm just on my way to work now. Whoa. All that for £10, what an experience. Well, this is exciting because I'm a member of Marriot. They have upgraded my room to a king room. So I've never stayed here before, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Oh my god, the kitchen. What? Oh my god. Holy smokes. This is possibly one of the greatest hotel rooms I've ever stayed in my house. It's more like a studio flat, like, so you walk in and you've got your own kitchen, like a full bloody kitchen. And then you come down here. So you've got your desk, your TV, USB, which is brilliant. And you've got a chaise lounge with a little table to go over it, the bed, the wardrobe, and then you slide this door and you've got the bathroom. How incredible is that? This was actually cheaper than like Premier Inn and it must have been a really good deal. But I'm so thankful that I signed up to all the memberships of all the hotels, because when I got here the lady on reception was like, because you're a Marriott member as well, we've upgraded you from a queen room to a king room, so I need to go anyway. So I went and got my hair cut, which was probably the clips that he saw before, and he decided to wax my nostrils and do the flame thing on my ear. I'm still not sure how I feel about the haircut, but you know when you get your hair cut and you're just like, right, I just need to wash it and style it myself. That's how I felt, so that's what I've done. I am about to go downstairs and meet my friend James, and I don't really know what the plan is, but we'll see. And we're off to meet James. Back at the hotel, I had a little pint with my friend James, and then I discovered the Christmas market and I had a pint of winter ale there, and it's really helped me get in the festive spirit. But yeah, I'm back. It's about 6:30, so I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna get some food, and then I'll probably come back up. So I don't know whether you can eat in the hotel. I hope you can eat in the hotel because I just can't be bothered going out. First world problems. I didn't film any of my meal and I just basically forgot. I'm back at my room now. I have Charlie Brown Christmas on TV and I am gonna watch that and go to bed. So if you've enjoyed this video and if you've enjoyed me having flaming ears, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do make sure you're subscribed. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, 1, I will be launching my travel giveaway, and 2, it'll be a Christmas miracle. So please do subscribe. I will see you guys in the morning for day 4 of Vlogmas, maybe. So take care and peace out.